Welcome! Thank you for watching this 3-minute video on the newly improved Chronic Care HPI template. I'll be using practical examples to demonstrate how to access and use the new template. The new Chronic Conditions template is accessed from this button below the HPI grid. If you see the old Chronic Conditions template in the list on the left, be aware that both templates cannot be used in the same encounter. Click on the button to access the template. When you do, you'll notice that it has its own tab and takes up the full screen. The advantage of this new layout is that you can now access other parts of the chart while the template is open. Previously, as a pop-up, you could not do this. You'll also notice an overall Chronic Conditions HPI area, which provides a summary at the beginning of your HPI documentation. These can be configured as my phrases for easy retrieval, so I'm going to choose one now. Next, I'll select the first condition that I want to include in my note. With neither of these filters checked, I can select from all of the items on the problem list. By checking either or both, the selection is limited to the items that I've designated for each list. Most likely, you'll choose from the chronic list for this template. Once I've selected an assessment, I can now add details to the problem as if I were in the assessment template, along with many other additional features. I can further edit my chronic and tracked problem lists here by using the checkboxes for the selected item. I can also update the description, the ICD code description, and the now required status. I can even review the original problem description after I've changed it by hovering here. Another great feature of the new template is that I can review past notes about the problem, as well as add a new one for today. I can also use the same note for the HPI section of my document by clicking this arrow button. While I'm speaking with the patient, I can review labs, access flow sheets, and even use the screening tool to make sure that I've covered the items I want to. Below this panel, I can access related items from the patient's medical history in a simple gridded format. I can also review any relevant clinical guidelines directly from this template without leaving. Best of all, when it's time to document a plan, I can now use the Chronic Conditions template for this as well. I can use my phrases, or type and dictate in the fields, and finally click the Add button to save all of my documentation for this particular condition. This is a very important step. When I do, the data is saved to the grid, and then I choose the next condition and repeat the process. When I'm done, all of the problems appear on the note as they have before, but now with greater detail and a new overall chronic condition summary. We hope you found this video helpful. Please reach out to your NextGen team with any questions, and enjoy the rest of your day!